Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level student. So today we have to discuss the IGCSE Mathematics past year paper question. It's a question from the Specimen Paper 4. So here you can see the paper 4. Yeah, this is Specimen Paper, fine, 2025. And we have here question number 12, which is we have to calculate the mean, fine. So I will take this paper on the board so that we will be able to solve it, fine. And even see in this question actually we have given that the heights are given and they are in the range, right? And then nextly the frequencies are given. So in this case, first of all we need to arrange the data in this format, all right, so that we'll be able to calculate it correctly. Yeah, so height here, then frequency, we have to take the midpoint of the height interval, all right, and then we have to take the frequency times midpoint. Now you tell me the midpoint between 100 and 150 is basically 125. Yeah, then 150 and 160 is 155. Yeah, then 160 and 165 is 162.5. Then 160 to 185 is 175. Yeah, so now if you multiply 7 times 125 is 875. Then do the same calculation for the remaining. 30 times 155 is 4650. 41 times 162.5 is 6662.5. Then 22 times 175 is 3850. Yeah, then our mean formula is basically summation of x times f or f times x divided by summation of f, fine. So firstly calculate the summation of f. Here summation of frequency, total frequency already given, it's a 100 student, so which is equal to here 100. Then even put out in the calculator all these things and calculate the, it's a summation as well. So if you do the calculation, it's a something around 16,037.5. Now if you substitute in our formula 16,037.5 divided by 100, it's a, you just have to switch 2 points to the left, which is 160.375. that's it, that's the answer, fine. So even you can round it to 160.4 centimeter will be the height. So these are the tips and tricks you must know to get A star grade. So we have put out all these things on our website visionigcsE.com. So you can visit to our website as well for all the contents and all, fine. Here you will see the notes of physics, maths, additional math, international math, chemistry, bio, and for even A level you have a notes are there, and even past year paper we are day by day updating all these things. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you. Enjoy the learning.